Hi, Alyssa. I was going to answer your questions about the food web. You were saying that you couldn't find some of the animals on the website and you weren't sure what I meant about the left-hand column. So the left-hand column is this column here where you have the name of the organism. And so in the directions, you're only supposed to put in here what's over here on the left. So I don't want you adding in extra critters is what it comes down to. So on the assignment directions, you're not going to find, the things that you're not going to find on the website are the grass and the seeds. And so in the assignment directions, it said, you know, clearly grass doesn't eat anything. But where does it get its energy from? And so grass photosynthesizes, so right, it's getting its energy from the sun. And seeds are a plant, you know, they're parts of plants also, so you can bring that same kind of logic into there. Over here on the website, there's, I'm gonna move this around just a little bit so we can see it better. All of the animals are on the website, so, but they're split out, so there's different categories in here. So when you're looking for scorpions, you're not going to find it in here. You'll have to click on insects and spiders, and then you'll come down and you'll be able to find scorpions. So everything is in here. You just have to you have to be able to navigate around. So like the eagles, you go down to the birds and fish, and you can see here there's some eagles. There's information about golden eagles. So, and the same thing, so you have your cactus wrens are in here, you have your great horned owls are in here. So you just have to kind of look through and make sure that you're in the correct area of the website to be able to find the critter that you're looking for. So one of the directions on the website said that as you're filling out your research sheet, that you should only use the organisms that are on the sheet. So for example, here's our scorpion again. And I scrolled down until I found where it said diet and food. And here you'll see where it says they consume all types of insects, spiders, and centipedes. So let's take centipedes for an example. On your, oops, wrong thing, sorry. On your handout that you're supposed to be filling out, centipedes aren't on there. So in what the scorpion eats, you wouldn't include centipedes then, because that's not something that's on there. It does say that they eat smaller lizards, and the horned lizard is a small lizard, so you could put the horned lizard there because it does eat small lizards. You would only want to include the things that are on here. The reason for that is because there's the food web would kind of get out of control. So there's lots of different things that it can eat and that will eat it. And so it's I was trying to narrow your focus just a little bit so that your food web, when you drew it, wasn't crazy huge. So here it says that scorpions are also prey. So looking at what are the predators of the scorpion. So on here where it says that birds eat it, especially owls, so then you would include your great horned owl. But because it said birds, you might also include your eagle. You might also include your cactus wren because they would eat it as well. So you want to make sure that you're looking at both of those kinds of things on here. You're going to find the amount of information on the website varies by the critter, so just put on your sheet what's on the website. So if you think that something might eat a scorpion but it's not listed here, only put on here what's listed on here. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know.